Want to master physics but don't know where to start? Today, we're going to dive into the world of physics, a realm that delights, surprises, and sometimes confounds us. But fear not. With the right study techniques, this fascinating subject can become a thrilling journey of discovery. We'll walk you through proven strategies to help you grasp the fundamentals, tackle complex problems, and ultimately achieve physics mastery. So, gear up to discover the secrets of mastering physics. Start by building a rock-solid foundation. In the vast universe of physics, it's easy to get lost in the complexities and intricacies of advanced topics. But remember, every complex idea stems from a simple, fundamental concept. You're not just learning facts or equations, you're learning the language of the universe, the laws that govern the world around us. So take your time to understand the basics: mechanics, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, optics, modern physics. These are your building blocks. Each one is a piece of the puzzle, contributing to the grand picture of what physics really is. Don't rush. Absorb the fundamental principles, let them sink in. Grasp the concepts, understand their implications. Once you have a firm grip on the basics, you can confidently venture into the more advanced territories. Remember, a strong foundation is the key to mastering any subject. Physics is no exception. Reading is not just about absorbing, it's about engaging. As we delve into the world of physics, it's vital to remember that reading is not a spectator sport. You're not just passively observing words on a page, you're actively participating in a dialogue with the author. To make the most of your reading time, engage with your materials. How, you ask? First off, take notes. Highlight key points, jot down questions that arise, and summarize concepts in your own words. And speaking of your own words, here's another tip. Formulate your own explanations. If you can explain a concept in simple language, you've truly understood it. Think of it as translating complex physics jargon into everyday English. Finally, visualize the concepts. Physics is, after all, the study of the physical world. So paint mental pictures and create visual analogies to better understand these abstract ideas. So turn your reading time into an active learning session. In physics, practice doesn't just make perfect, it makes progress. Physics, in its very essence, is a practical subject. To truly master this field, you need to have a hands-on approach. Theoretical knowledge is indeed crucial, but its true power is unlocked when you apply it to solve problems. So how do you go about it? Well, you tackle a wide array of problems regularly. These problems can be sourced from textbooks, class assignments, or even additional resources you might find. Each problem you solve is a step forward in reinforcing your understanding of physics concepts. Keep in mind, the more varied the problems, the better. It's like solving a puzzle. Each puzzle solved improves your problem-solving skills. And before you know it, you'll be breezing through even the most complex problems. So don't shy away from those practice problems. Embrace them. Keep practicing. The more problems you solve, the better you understand. Unlock the power of visualization. In the realm of physics, we often encounter complex relationships and processes that can seem abstract and challenging. This is where visual aids come in. They are the unsung heroes of the learning process, transforming complicated concepts into digestible, manageable pieces. Think about diagrams, charts, and other visual tools. They can be instrumental in representing these concepts. Let's say you're studying forces. Drawing a free body diagram can help you understand the physical scenario and the relationships between different variables. Or, consider a graph representing the decay of a radioactive substance. It's much easier to comprehend the process when you see it visualized. And it's not just about understanding. Visual aids can also aid in memory retention. When you draw or map out a concept, you're more likely to remember it. So don't underestimate the power of a well-placed diagram or a colorful chart. So pick up those colored pens and start visualizing. Learning together can make a world of difference. Indeed, the journey to physics mastery isn't a solitary one. The beauty of group study lies in the power of collective wisdom. As you form study circles with your classmates, you'll discover the magic of collaborative problem solving. You see, when you attempt to explain a concept to a fellow learner, you're not just helping them understand. You're deepening your own comprehension, strengthening your grasp on the subject. Moreover, group discussions serve as a melting pot of diverse perspectives. You'll encounter different ways of approaching problems, alternative solutions, and innovative insights, enriching your learning experience. And let's not forget the motivation and support that comes from studying with peers. It keeps the study sessions engaging and less daunting. So don't shy away from teaming up with your classmates. It's a powerful tool in your arsenal for mastering physics. Remember, two heads are better than one. Make the internet your best friend in your physics journey. The digital world offers a plethora of resources to help you get a grip on even the most challenging physics concepts. Video lectures, for instance, are a great way to break down complex topics into digestible pieces. On platforms like Khan Academy and numerous YouTube channels, you'll find countless videos explaining physics principles in simple, easy-to-understand language. Then we have interactive simulations, which can bring abstract concepts to life. They allow you to manipulate variables and observe the effects in real time, providing an invaluable hands-on learning experience. Additionally, online physics forums and communities can be incredibly helpful. Here you can ask questions, share insights, and engage in enlightening discussions with fellow physics enthusiasts from around the world. Remember, the internet isn't just for cat videos and memes. It's a powerful learning tool brimming with resources. With a world of knowledge at your fingertips, physics mastery is just a click away. Bring physics out of the books and into the real world. It's time to see how all those theories, laws, and equations play out in everyday life. Why does this matter? Well, bridging the gap between theory and reality deepens comprehension and makes learning more engaging. Let's take an everyday object like a fridge. Its working principle, thermodynamics. Or consider a rainbow. It's not just a beautiful spectacle, but an example of light refraction and dispersion. Physics is in the flight of a bird, the sound of a guitar, the glow of a sunset, and even your microwave oven. Exploring these real-world applications can transform abstract concepts into tangible experiences. It can make the subject more relatable, and this connection can enhance your overall understanding of physics. So, look around, physics is everywhere. It's in the device you're watching this video on, it's in the light illuminating your room, and it's in the air you're breathing. Embrace the world as your physics laboratory. Organize information visually. It's a simple statement, but one that carries profound meaning when it comes to mastering physics. Here we're talking about the use of mind maps and conceptual maps. Powerful tools that can help you see the connections between different concepts. Imagine you're studying electromagnetism. It's a vast topic with various sub-concepts like electric fields, magnetic fields, and electromagnetic waves. By creating a mind map or a conceptual map, you can visually plot out these sub-concepts, linking them to the main topic. This visual arrangement not only helps you understand how these sub-concepts relate to electromagnetism, but also reveals how they interact with each other. The beauty of these maps is that they provide a bird's eye view of the topic, helping you see the big picture. So whether it's Newton's laws or quantum mechanics, don't just learn the concepts, map them. So start mapping your way to physics mastery. Repetition is the mother of learning. As we approach the end of our guide to mastering physics, let's emphasize the significance of regular review. Like the steady beat of a drum, repetition reinforces your understanding and imprints the information in your memory. It's not merely about rereading your notes, but actively engaging with them. Summarize them in your own words, teach the concepts to someone else, or even try to solve the problems again. While you're at it, don't forget to revisit the diagrams and mind maps you've created. They are your visual anchors, offering you a quick and effective way to review complex concepts and their interconnections. Now, physics can be a tough nut to crack, and it's perfectly fine to feel overwhelmed at times. When you find yourself in such a situation, don't hesitate to seek help. Reach out to your teachers, classmates, or even online communities. Clearing up your doubts early helps to prevent small misconceptions from turning into big obstacles in your path to mastering physics. Remember, mastering physics is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep growing, and you will succeed. So be patient with yourself, stay consistent, and keep the flame of curiosity alive. With every problem you solve, every concept you understand, you're one step closer to your goal. Here's to your journey in the fascinating world of physics. Let's keep exploring, one quantum leap at a time.